Join us today as we go to Silver Dollar City, where we tour Marvel Cave and enjoy the beautiful Christmas lights during an old-time Christmas festival. We are Scot and Kelly. Welcome to Grateful Getaways. We have taken several trips to Silver Dollar City throughout the year. Though we have videoed one other time, we typically don't because we know there are so many great videos out there about Silver Dollar City. But today we're touring Marvel Cave and the Christmas lights, so we decided to give it a shot. There is one thing you should know. The Old Time Christmas Festival is very popular and therefore typically very busy. We chose a Thursday, however, and we were able to park, easily catch the tram, and get right into the park with no problem. Our first stop in the park is Marvel Cave. Your first test to enter the cave is to be able to walk through this tunnel-sized hole. If you can go through this, you are off to a great start. While waiting for our tour, we watched a video telling us every reason why we might not want to go through this cave. They use all the scare tactics they have, the worst being that if the tram doesn't work at the end, we will have to walk back through the cave and up 600 steps. We understand why, of course. This cave is not an amusement park ride. So by now, if we haven't changed our mind, we'll be off on our tour. Here we took a few minutes to get to know our guide, Corey. Cave Guide Corey has a Facebook page that we follow, so it was fun that he happened to be our guide today. We soon enter the cave and begin descending down the 600 steps. The cave was warm as it was very cold outside, and by the end of this tour we were all wishing we had left our coats in a locker somewhere because it got pretty warm. Marvel Cave is one of the largest in Missouri with one of the largest entry rooms. In early years, a ladder was used to climb down into the cave, but now we just walk down the 600 steps. Cave Guide Corey said they were wanting to add some Christmas to the cave and asked us not to laugh. We did giggle. According to records, the first exploration was in 1869. They originally thought there was marble in the ceiling, and the cave was named Marble Cave. After attempts of mining, it was realized that the cave did not have marble after all. The cave was purchased in 1889 and opened to the public, and then in 1950 the Hershans leased the cave for the next 99 years, and they later opened the theme park Silver Dollar City on the site of the cave. The Mystic River Passage is legendary, as the end has never been discovered. A few cave guides attempted just a few months ago, but the end of this passage has yet to be found. Corey was great and promised to show us a bat if he found one, and right at the end we got to see him. The cable car is known as the oldest ride in the park, as it has been here since the 1950s. They have been giving rides to tourists who are happy to not climb the stairs out. left the cave right before sunset, and it was quite a beautiful sight. Silver Dollar City was named the USA Today's Best Theme Park Holiday Event for the 8th year and was featured in Country Living magazine as one of the 15 fantastic Christmas light displays to visit in the U.S. We watched the Christmas tree lighting at the plaza with the new fir tree. This show was fun and festive and put you in the Christmas spirit.
3, 2, 1.
We did not stay for the parade as we had a long drive home in the dark, so we made our way back through the park. It was evident that we could have spent hours here walking through all the lights.
Well, we just finished a great day. We just got done at Silver Dollar City. We went to Marvel Caves, but we also stayed for the lights and all that, all the Christmas lights.
Yeah, we had a great time. Marvel Cave, I will say it's hard to get the footage in there you want because you're in a line of, you could have up to 45 people. We had probably 25.
Yeah.
But it's hard to, get pictures and stuff that you want. But it's a lot of fun. Glad we did that. And then as soon as we got out, it was sunset, and we just kind of waited around for the lighting of the Christmas trees, and it was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we had a great day.
Yeah. It's hard to film in there with just talking because music everywhere.
Yeah.
So
it's copyrighted, so we can't.
Yeah, so we had to be careful.
Can't include that.
Yeah, but just walking around, seeing the lights, it was a lot of fun, seeing the cave. But now we're headed home. So
Great way to spend a Thursday. I love this retirement gig. It's great.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
We have been to the Branson area many times. Like when we had coffee while watching the sunrise at a beautiful overlook and then hiked a 4-mile trail, went to Silver Dollar City, and we walked through Dogwood Canyon and camped at Table Rock State Park. We will link those videos in the description below. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.